Happy holidays. I'm Cameron Hope, and I'm the CEO of First Hope Financial. At First Hope Financial, our core business is tax preparation. We also assist our clients with audit representation, credit restoration, and payroll services. We're conveniently located at 3 locations in downtown Orlando, West Orlando on Goldwyn Avenue in Washington Shores, and our brand new location in Winter Garden, Florida, serving all of West Orange County. Feel free to contact us at one of our locations or reach out to us online at firsthopefinancial.com. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.